Right here with Tito. We're gonna pull up to the video shoot right here. Chito Ranas and GMONEY. Right here with the homie right here. Where we pulling up to?
Chito Ranas.
Chito Ranas. They're gonna be lit. So y'all stay tuned. Right here with the homie Gucci Bandit. Right? Gucci Bandit. Alright, we're gonna pull up. So I'm gonna get associates right now. Where's the one you get, Tito? Which one? Orange one? This one?
Yeah, that orange one.
Alright, we're gonna get this one right here. The one that the homie Tito recommended. Yeah. Let's get it. We're gonna get out to Melrose. We're here, Cali 7-Eleven. Right now we're in East Hollywood right now. Right here, the homie Tito.
That's right.
Yeah. The True Religion, check them bitches out. Yeah, y'all see it?
I don't know who go over there though. I don't know if we can go over. I remember Ralfy got his autograph. I already met him already.
Yeah, these Ben Davis right here, they hard. These Ben Davis, they hard right here.
The first nigga recording, I'm trying to get off on clear, like, yeah, nigga, record that, nigga. Record that.
Yeah, I'm gonna get on my first,
I have all my nigga, all my nigga. How much nigga was it? You're solo?
What do you think, Tito? What do you think, Blue Strip?
What's cracking? We're right here getting lit. Show the bottle. We're out here. Turn up.
Any?
every time I go to court, niggas don't even say that. I look at them.
No barber battle. I can't battle.
You gonna see me pop the door
Right now.
You didn't show about
I can see verse on my new tape, bro.
there was no cops there when I was
I can see verse on my
no
new
cops in
tape.
that whole floor. They got seen you was solo.
They got me right here,
I didn't know you had to change, but you I'm only walked in there like this. See, homie, all my chains on, hat back.
They filming the music video right here.
My nigga, yeah, you see what's going on. Bitch, happy to see that in my low, bitch. XC to the EC, bitch. Fuck the other side, though. Yeah, this is a vlog right here. This is a vlog right here. Yeah, I'm hood. This something that's an opportunity of my lifetime, bitch. I just see that to my boy. Fuck these niggas, though, nigga. Ain't good, Chris. What's going on? Best gang, though, nigga. Now we on some music shit out, you hear me? Yeah, games in this bitch, go straight my shit, you hear me? How them niggas miss all them chains, niggas? Scary ass niggas. Yeah, you pack a nigga out, he supposed to be up on the floor. Fuck the other side, though. Oh, my jury, come on, you should have took my jury. You should have took my jury, nigga. Huh? Niggas had it though, niggas.
They from No Jumper.
No jumper, play real quick. We're gonna ask everyone's a question. Alright, ask me some questions. Ask me some questions. Come on. Oh, hood, bro.
Yeah, I'm here.
Oh, hood.
We outside.
Happy to see my nigga play though.
Yeah.
He's so free though. Hey, no jumper, no fucking no we don't do that. We have a chief and star. Come here. I think the best game all that though, nigga, fuck the other side. Hard game, the best game, man. Happy birthday to Playerrways. You heard it here first. Nigga, fuck the other side. Thank you.
Hey, player, I can get the hit. Over with? Damn. Hey, they can. Alright, guys.
Today's his birthday. We're gonna ask him a few questions. So, question one, do you regret doing so many balloons right in the middle of your interview? We put it on some formal questions and you see it on there. That's your right? I'm not saying. I said balloons. Hell yeah. Where are you going to be? Really? So you're legally legit now? Legally? Yeah, homie. You can legally pick up trips from pharmacy. No comment. And you need to fuck someone auntie though, damn. I'm about to never fuck my auntie tonight.
Wait. Can I fuck your auntie?
I'm a dead what the? Dead homie, you can fuck off there, my auntie. Don't fuck none of that. Dead homie. Can I hit the auntie too? Alright, nigga, come on. That's more niggas in my auntie. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Hey, but happy birthday to your nigga, Playerrways. Is there anything specific you wanted for your birthday? Money. Some money. How much? A lot. 10 million.
A banner better.
I'm thinking like 100 should be.
No, a banner better.
Zillion. So, you popping out to the Digi party tonight? Oh, hey, yo. That's no comment. Try it again. DP, nigga. Take him to the back. Take him to the back. Take him to the back, nigga. Take him to the ass. What up, loco? I don't really do that in podcast. Slap no, dead homies. We get next on that shit. That them dead homies, nigga. Tell me the plug. Get at me, nigga. Who's you point the nigga? Whoa. Dead homies. Calm down, nigga. Calm down, nigga. Dead homies. Kendrick or Drake? Drake. Wow, okay. How'd you feel about that whole like performance and everything? City. Anything popping up soon? Anything you're working on? That you shot or anything? Alright, I'll see if we can check that. A month away. You guys heard it here first, guys. Playerrways tape pretty soon. Thank you. Yeah, we're gonna chop it down for like. We're here with. Come on, nigga, doing it though, nigga. Alright, doing it like this. Playerrways birthday. Which one is that? What are you doing right now? What are you doing right now? Besides the food. We enjoying life. We enjoying the homies. That's the famous Grammy. Famous Grammy.
Grammy Lord.
I'm a gang member. Okay, you're right. You make so much loss. Alright, what's up, man? What a nigga will tell you? Okay. No jumpers for the bottom line. Have you ever passed out off the hell? Have you ever passed out? Not one. Bro, I'm not addicted, bro. Well, you don't need to be addicted to that. You just got to I don't do all that. I just did that shit regularly. I ain't gonna face the whole thing. You never face out? No. Hell no. Have you seen anyone face out ever? It's not hard. It's not hard at all. It's good. As player. You fished out before? I never fished out before. In the studio, nigga. In the studio, you fished out? I don't know. I can't answer that. I don't know. Okay. But if I did, it was like a girl, plan B, everything. I like everything. I like that. Like, probably American, the one that takes like the usually out here, very skateboarders, very good on the block. This ain't like
We're right here with the homie right here. Chito Ranas ain't gonna pull up, I think. What do you think? You don't think he gonna pull up? Right here on Fairfax. GMONEY Playerrways pulled up. I'm gonna show y'all. Fairfax. Feel me? Bougie.
Yo, what up? What's cracking? We out here
Tell 'em
on
Blue Strips.
Melrose. Turning up.
Shoot him a blue strip, a freestyle.
We're right here in Melrose trying to smoke up some bowls. We don't really give a fuck because we're trying to get up.
Shit.
The homies fucked up. Pass me the bottle because you know I'm about to roll up. We don't give a fuck. Out here in Melrose because we turn up. It's how we do. Not giving a fuck. So I'm ready to bust. I'm going to pull out the gun and shoot you in your face, motherfucker.
Okay.
Upstairs, and we have a cafe in the back.
Right here. Yeah, bougie. Yeah, we in deep right here. We in deep. It's a movie theater right here. Kickback. Hey, where Chito Ranas at?
We look like we're
If there's any questions,
Fuck. Right here they put a mural of Suede and Draco. Clean. Long live Suede. Long live Draco.
I do me, I do mine. I smoke weed, no coke lines. I'm lit like a candle. Smoking some weed, but I motherfucking blow the scene up like Rambo. I do this shit every day, and you gotta catch me on a good angle. On a bad day, I still make a motherfucking baby. I'm out.
Chito's there or not?
I don't know.
Waiting for the homies right there. Waiting for Chito if he's gonna show up or not. I think, yeah, I think he's gonna show up. That shit would suck if he didn't show up though. Limited edition Shasta.
Star, I just signed the deal with 30 on my sweater.
Okay, with the homie Tito right here to McDonald's. And we're gonna see, we're gonna get the Big Mac bundle. No, go inside, go inside.
6 feet of fries and a drink.
We came to McDonald's. Chito Ranas didn't pull up. Sucks, but he didn't.
I had a few of these this morning.
Yeah, 2 for 3, 2 for 3. I wish Chito, well yeah, it sucks that Chito didn't pull up. But we at McDonald's right now. We got the $20 meal, bundle meal. And this might be the end of the vlog. This is it. Freaking, you want to put your Instagram? Or not?
Nah.
Nah? Alright then, the homie's right here. You or not?
Nah, I'm good.
You good? Alright then. Freaking, I'm gonna show you the food and that's it. Alright guys, so look, we ate a Big Mac. I ate half of it. Some nuggets, the bundle meal. Look, the homie still got his nuggets. And freaking, what was it? Fries, 2 fries. And right here, the homie got his chicken sandwich. Right here, nobody, you know, nobody's in here no more. 9. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. That's it.